Vishwa Hindu Parishad has demanded that government should adhere to its affidavit filed in the Supreme Court in Ayodhya case. They have demanded that 67 hectares of land should be transferred to Hindus. They have also threatened a severe agitation if government fails to do so.
Government should fulfill the Supreme Court affidavit and immediately they should hand over all 67-acre land to Hindus, and to make land available to Hindus, they should pass legislation in Indian Parliament.
He was speaking at the 3-day international convention of Vishwa Hindu Parishad at Ramnathi. Antarrashtriya Adhyaksh Ashok Ji Singhal, Ashok Chogle, Madhukar Dikshit and others were present. Ashok Singhal has threatened a severe agitation if their demands are not met.
एक संघर्ष तो जरूर करना पड़ेगा जिससे कि जो 67 एकड़ भूमि है, 70 एकड़ भूमि है, पूरी की पूरी हम लोगों को रामलला को प्राप्त हो सके, जिससे कि वहां भव्य मंदिर बने।
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu. BJP State Secretary Advocate Manohar Adpaikar was brutally attacked by an unknown person on Thursday. He is admitted in GMC. Ponda police have detained a suspect in this case.
Bharatiya Janata Party State Secretary Advocate Manohar Adpaikar was attacked by an unknown person at his office at Tisk Ponda on Thursday at about 6:30 p.m. He has hurt his lips and nose. His left leg is also injured. Sources say that he was attacked by an iron rod and some other weapons. Adpaikar was first admitted to ID Hospital in Ponda. From there, he was shifted to GMC Hospital in Bamburi. Later in the evening on Thursday, Ponda police detained one suspect in connection with the case. A case has been registered against unknown person under section 325 and 341. The reason behind the attack is not yet known. Adpaikar's statement is not yet recorded as he is physically unfit to speak. A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu, and from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Panchwadi Bachao Samiti is opposing proposed mining road of Sezagoa in their village. Now they say that they have only one option, do or die. They have also demanded resignation of CM Digambar Kamath and PWD Minister Churchill Alemao for not taking action.
Panchwadi Bachao Samiti is now worried about the greenery of their village, their farms, mangrove plantation and dense forest area. Samiti claims that they have complained to all the authorities, but they have failed to take any action. They say now they are left with only one option, do or die.
या आता इतली व्हडली ग्रीनरी आता ही येते शेत इतले शेत हे करून कोण सीएम आमच्या गोंय काबार करपाक कोण मुखार सरला हो सीएम आता चर्चिल म्हणटा आपल्या टाइम ना जाल्यार तुमी आनी कितें हेजेर बसले तुमी लोकांक हे कितें म्हणून आहाय तुमी रिजायन जाय पंचवाडकारांनी आमची सरकारा विरोधात झगडी पडटले वेदांता कंपनी विरोधात आमकां झगडी पडटले आनी आमकां मरपाकूय पडटले आनी आमी मरपाक तयारूय आहाय.
Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority says that CRZ approval taken by SEZA company in 2003 is no longer valid. It also says that entire area is eco-sensitive. Samiti says that even after this, PWD is going ahead with the construction of road.
जर मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंट जो कन्सर्न पोल्युशनाचो आसा आनी मायनिंगा खातीर रोड करपाचो तांचे जर परिवहन हो रोड ना जाल्यार PWD हो रोड करपाची खंयची ऑथॉरिटी आसा बाय बायपासिंग द मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंट और कंसर्न एनवायरमेंटल कंसर्न जे कितें ऑथॉरिटी आसा ताका बायपास करून PWD कितें इंटरेस्ट आसा हो रोड करपाक हातून वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट आसा म्हणून प्रूव जाता.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.